Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are headed from Ahmedabad to our final destination. But first I wanted to go visit the site of the Ahmedabad plane crash and pay my respects to the victims. It was a horrific tragedy. Such a loss of life both in the plane and in the hospital. I am a huge aviation nerd and it hurts me to see anybody getting hurt from an airline accident. But I just wanted to go pay my respects. So damn humid. Just standing there doing nothing, I get all sweaty. My visor is all fogging up because of the humidity. So I don't know the exact location of where the crash happened. वो crash कहाँ पे हुआ था? Plane crash हुआ था ना?
ये हॉस्पिटल उसके पीछे
लेफ्ट जाना है इधर से। पहला लेफ्ट।
यहाँ से सीधा चले जाओ।
हाँ,
आगे 3 रास्ते आएंगे, ये बाजू चले जाओ।
ठीक है, थैंक यू। This is the hospital where the crash happened, guys. Such a tragedy, so many lives lost. I just wanted to pay my respects. I hope they figure out what happened and fix it. Like I said, I'm a huge aviation nerd, and whenever stuff like this happens, it pains me to see so many lives lost, especially if we don't learn from it and evolve our safety, then all those lives would be in vain. So I hope they figure it out. I hope they fix it. So I saw where it actually happened, but I didn't want to show it out of respect for the victims. So the next place that I'm going to visit before leaving Ahmedabad is one of those places that Ahmedabad is known around the world for. It is the Sabarmati Ashram. I know they'll probably not let me go inside, but I don't intend to anyways. So I just wanted to visit the place. I've always heard stories about it, but never actually been there. My visor is completely fogging up, man. I'm sorry if there's any wind noise that's coming in, but I have to keep the visor open because it's getting very foggy. So we are gonna be crossing the Sabarmati River. The riverfront road follows. See, all that is the riverfront road on the side. So this is the Sabarmati River, so full of water. Oh, they're constructing another bridge though. That is tall. Okay. This looks well maintained. This is cool. Gives you some of that London vibe with the Thames. This is the ashram, guys. Smack dab in the middle of the city. I thought it would be outside the city, but this is nice. I wonder if there is any signage that I can take a picture of. So that's the ashram, guys. Of course it's closed right now. Okay, let's go. Back on the highway now, folks. I should get to the destination by 12 p.m. or at the most at 1 o'clock. I was trying to find some places to stay, and for some reason this place that is out in the middle of nowhere is crazy expensive. Airbnb is showing properties for like 14 grand, 19 grand, 22 grand. Make My Trip is showing properties for 4 grand, 5 grand per night, and there's no Oyos or regular hotels there as far as I can see. I don't know why it's so expensive. Maybe it's because it's popular. I don't know. Our cows could not give a shit. Oh, this is your highway? Nope. There is no way I'm paying that much money just for shelter. I just need a room and parking. That's all I need. So I'm gonna try and find a cheaper place to stay and explore around that area. Man, our cows cannot care less. Highway, expressway, doesn't matter. This is ours. Whoa. That was crazy. Look at the horns on that thing. Holy shit. Why are there so many cows on this highway? Oh my god, the horns on that. You don't need additional checkpoints. These guys are the checkpoints. What the hell? Man, I hope they don't get hit or anything. Right in the middle of the road.
Dance in my glow. Fireflies in the yard, everything's a work of art. Already got everything we need to dance in the glow. It's always in my head, can never get enough. That's all I'm feeling left.
Cows. Oh, watch out, buddy. All these cows have like huge horns here. Yeah, fuck lane markings, no? They're just suggestions anyways. What the f are you doing, asswipe? Not a single mountain in sight. Either side. Feels a little weird. So that route that the guy mentioned that there's not going to be any heavy vehicles, I think this is the one. I just saw a board that said heavy vehicles prohibited. I'm sure there is another way for them to go around. No wonder I haven't seen any trucks in the last 5 kilometers or so. So this is the National Highway 754K. I have 113 kilometers left to go. I don't know if it's gonna be all like this. Wait, I thought these guys weren't supposed to use this road. Yeah, who really follows rules here anyways? Screw it. What the hell? Where do you see that lever is getting stuck? I have to loop it a little. So I now understand why heavy vehicles are not allowed on here. This road is barely wide enough for two. Okay, we have goat crossing. Yeah, there's no way I'm pushing through that. Let them go. Haji?
आओ मजा में
हाँ
क्यों काम हमरो
हैदराबाद से आ रहा हूँ.
खावड़ा दो
गुजराती आती नहीं जी.
हाँ
हिंदी?
हाँ गुजराती है
हाँ, हिंदी आता है.
हाँ और नहीं करता तुम तो
डोलावीरा.
थोड़ा बड़ा जाओ
चलता हूँ.
Late nights sitting under starlight, searching for the
run of Kutch, guys. I know in November and December up to February it will look a little different, but right now there is nobody else here. I thought they don't let them. Maybe this is on government contract or something. Wait a second. I am on an ADV. Finally use the ADV part. I wonder if there is a way to get onto the lake bed. This looks absolutely amazing, man. I hope it gets cold in the night. Oh no. Wait, it looks like it might rain. I better get there fast. I think these were one of those guys that were charging like 19 grand. 19 grand, why? Oh no, this is still under construction. Not these guys. It started raining already. I hope this offers some kind of protection. Wait, did it stop? I have another 46 minutes worth of riding left. Should I just go? Or wait a few minutes? Alright, it's still raining, but it just let up a little. So I'm gonna get to the room fast. I have another 45 minutes of riding left. Actually, I am very close to the border with Pakistan. White Run 54. I gotta go check that out tomorrow. I don't know what that is. I gotta be careful on these roads. There's loose gravel at certain places. Imagine living here. That is so cool. See, loose gravel. I noticed that the women here have different ornaments. See, probably the nose ring. It's big, interesting. And all of this looks like right in the middle of a desert or something. Looks like a scene from one of those movies. I think the most recent one was Vidamoyachi. This looks like the road from that. On the left. Wait, is this it? Really? It is... Yeah. Okay, where are the room numbers? Let me call this guy. He's apparently in the hospital. He said room number 3 or 4. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna get out of the sun for a little bit. Samne yellow cooler. What the hell is he talking about? Okay, so this is locked. This is unlocked. Is this not it? Oh, this is not it. But I was wondering, like, is it really on the road itself? This side. Is anybody there behind me? Nobody is there behind me. Run Resort. This is ridiculous, man. There are no yellow huts. Or did they repaint? Even those are not yellow. भैया रन रिजॉर्ट्स कहाँ पे है? So इन्होंने ये फोटो भेजा था पर उधर कोई येलो कलर के नहीं है।
आगे
ठीक है, एक बार उधर भी देखता हूँ। थैंक यू।
ये नहीं, इससे आगे है,
रोड पे दिखेगा,
रोड पे दिखेगा,
लेफ्ट साइड, राइट साइड। ओके, थैंक यू। This guy says he's in the hospital when I try to call him. Where the f are these yellow huts, man? Did he mean these? No, these are locked. So White Run Permit Office. The White Desert. Let me look at the White Desert. Okay, so these are the yellow ones. Yeah, this is what he is talking about. Fantastic, there's no AC. Hi. रिजर्वेशन था आज का।
आज का इधर
हाँ
मेरी रूम है इधर।
हाँ,
कहाँ कौन सी कंपनी है?
मेक माई ट्रिप में लिया था। अकेले आए हो?
दिल्ली में आया?
हाँ जी,
दिल्ली कभी आए सर?
नहीं, पहली बार आ रहा हूँ। ऐसे man, this place is so much better. That one was a scam for sure. Holy shit. Okay.